Hello, Amir here. I have made the automation using app script. Uh, this is the app script which I have developed. And what does it do? It takes data from the selected rows from this sheet and moves the data for those columns onto CSV sheet and then generates the CSV. And there are certain conditions which have also been included that data in this column should be enclosed within double quotes and data over here should be a combination of data from column I and first letter of column J, right? So these are our output conditions. So uh, I have added the item button in the main menu bar. When we, for example, I select these 6 rows, generate CSV. As we can see, the data has been moved from 99A to 9CK. These are the product IDs. And we can download the CSV and then we can open it to see. So this is the CSV file, output file. These are within double quotes. This contains the concatenated string and everything else is as it is.